the particular integral of a differential equations to find how to find a particular integral of a given differential equation. I am taking this problem, the general solution of d square plus 4 into y is equal to cos 2x. Now, first we have to find the complementary function. For this, I am taking the auxiliary equation m square plus 4 equal to 0. This is m square plus 2 square equal to 0 form. So m is equal to plus or minus 2n. Here the roots are complex numbers. Therefore, complementary function yc is equal to 0. Now we need to find a particular integral. So here yp is equal to 1 divided by d square plus 4 into cos 2x. Now here a is equal to 2 minus a square is equal to minus 4. We should write d square is equal to minus a square. So while writing d square equal to minus a square means minus 4. While writing d square equal to minus 4, the denominator should be 0. So we can write x in the numerator and differentiate the denominator. D square differentiation is 2d, 4 differentiation is 0. So cos 2x as this. Now this is equal to x by 2 into 1 by d means integration of cos 2x. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. Now this is equal to x by 4 into sin 2x. This is the particular solution. Therefore, the general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp, that is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus x by 4 sin 2x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Now I am taking one problem from APDL.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, the second problem, q of x is equal to x square plus 2x. Sir, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Check. Okay.
yp x square minus 2x plus 2. Correct, sir?
Okay. Okay, sir. Chudam, sir. Need a problem discuss this. D square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to x square plus
2x.
Now I am taking that problem. The general solution of d square plus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to x square plus 2x. We need to find yc and also yp. First I am taking the auxiliary equation, that is m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. This is nothing but m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That is m equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 are the repeated roots. So the complementary function yc is equal to c1 plus c2 x into e to the power of minus x. Now we go for particular integral. Particular integral yp is equal to 1 upon d square plus 2d plus 1 of x square plus 2x. Here x square, x power m term కాబట్టి 1 plus d or 1 minus d form లోకి reduce చేసుకోవాలి. So first of all I am writing this equation as 1 plus d whole square, okay, or d plus 1 whole square. So it is x square plus 2x as this. And take to numerator here, that is 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 2 of x square plus 2x. Now expand by binomial theorem, that is 1 minus 2d plus 3d square. D square term వరకు expand చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ power 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి. So here it is x square plus 2x as this. Now multiply with x square plus 2x here. So first 1 into this means same x square plus 2x minus 2 into d of this means differentiation of x square plus 2x as one time. It is 2x plus 2 plus 3 of d square means 2 time differentiation. One time differentiation is 2x plus 2 Again, differentiation is, so this is equal to x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 4 plus 6. So this is nothing but x square minus 2x here plus 2. This is the particular integral. So general solution is y is equal to c1 plus c2 x into e to the power of minus x plus x square minus 2x plus 2. This is the general solution. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from DL. This DL. If d comma d square comma d cube comma etc. stands for d by dx comma d by dy, sorry, d square by d square by dx square comma d cube by dx cube comma etc. The solution of d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to e power 2x into sin 2x. Okay, this is APD question. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే ఫర్ dy by dx అన్నాడు. dy by dx కాదు, d అంటే d by dx, d square అంటే d square by dx square ఉంది. So we have to find a particular yc and yp, complementary function and a particular solution. First I am taking auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a minus 2 whole square equal to 0. M is equal to 2 comma 2. It is a repeated root. Therefore, yc is equal to, we can write c1 plus c2 x into e to the power of 2x. This is yc. Now we go for yp. So to find yp, we can write 1 divided by operator as this, that is d square minus 4d plus 4. This is the operator, and we have q of x is equal to e power 2x into sin 2x, that is e power 2x into sin 2x. Now ఇక్కడ e power 2x టర్మ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ e power 2x ని వైపు రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు రీప్లేస్ చేసేటప్పుడు d is equal to d plus a రాయాలి. అంటే d is equal to a అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి d is equal to d plus 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు e power 2x వరకు అయిపోతుంది, అంటే ఇటువైపు వచ్చేసింది అన్నమాట. అంటే e power 2x divided by d plus 2 whole square minus 4 into d plus 2 plus 4. ఇక్కడ మిగిలిన టర్మ్ ఏంటంటే sin 2x ఇలానే వచ్చింది. నా ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోండి. e to the power of 2x divided by a plus b whole square formula, d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 4d minus 8 plus 4. Here sin 2x as this. Here 4d 4 plus 4 8 minus 8 will be cancelled. So this is equal to e power 2x by d square of sin 2x. So this is equal to, as we know that d square, here a is equal to 2 again. D square is equal to, we should write minus a square, that is minus a equal to here 2 minus 2 square, that is minus 4. Now you can write d square is equal to minus 4 here in this. So we get e power 2x by minus 4 sin 2x. This is the particular. So this is equal to, we can write minus e power 2x by 4 sin 2x is the particular integral. Therefore, the general solution y is equal to c1 plus c2 x into e to the power of x is the complementary function minus e power 2x by 4 into sine 2x is the particular. Sum of these two represents the general solution of the given differential equation. Now I am taking another problem from APTL.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, m minus 2 whole square అని రాసాం కదా సార్, దీన్ని కూడా d minus 2 whole square అని రాసి అక్కడే d ప్లస్ లో d ప్లస్ 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే అయిపోతాయి కదా సార్?
ఓకే, అలా రాసినా నో ప్రాబ్లం. డైరెక్ట్ దీనికి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడమే. ఓకే,
సరే సార్.
జస్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడమే. d స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4d ప్లస్ 4 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో యాక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కూడా అవే ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా, నో ప్రాబ్లం, యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ అనదర్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇఫ్ d comma d square comma d cube comma and so on etc stands for d by dx comma d square by dx square comma d cube by dx cube comma and so on. The solution of d square plus 2pd plus t square plus q square of y is equal to e to the power of ax is. This is the question. Now we have to find complementary function as well as particular integral. We need to find the solution means. Okay, first I am taking the auxiliary equation, that is m square plus 2pm plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of m, so we can solve this by using formula minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2d. So here b equal to 2p, so minus b is minus 2p plus or minus under root of b square, that is 2p whole square, that is 4p square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is p square plus q square whole divided by 2 into 1. Okay, 3. So we can write this as minus 2p plus or minus, we can take here under root of 4p square minus, we are multiplying here 4p square minus 4q square, denominator is 2. Now we can write this is equal to minus 2p plus or minus, here 4p square will be cancelled, under root of 4 is 2 and under root of q square is q and under root of minus 1 is I divided by 2. This is equal to minus p plus or minus qi. These are the roots of the complementary function. Here alpha is equal to minus p and beta is equal to q. So the complementary function yc is equal to e to the power of minus px of c1 cos qx plus c2 sin qx. Now we go for particular integral. So yp is equal to 1 divided by, I am writing the operator, that is d square plus 2pd plus p square plus q square into q of x value is e to the power of x. When we have e to the power of x, we should replace d by a. Okay, should write d is equal to a. So while writing here, we get 1 by a square plus 2pa plus p square plus q square into e to the power of ax. So we can write 1 divided by, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a plus p whole square plus q square as this e to the power of ax. This is the particular integral. Therefore, the general solution y is equal to what we have, minus p This is equal to e to the power of minus px into c1 cos qx plus c2 sin qx plus 1 divided by a plus p whole square plus q square into e to the power of ax. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from J. Already ఇది ఇచ్చాను హోంవర్క్ లాగా ఇచ్చాను చేశాను కొంచెం డౌట్ ఉంది. Of course I am explaining again here. The particular integral of d square minus 5d plus 6 is equal to x into e to the power of 4x. నిన్న ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే d square minus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to e to the power of 2x only. అది కూడా dl క్వశ్చన్, ఇదేమో jl క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ just we find the particular, that is 1 by d square minus 5d plus 6 into 6 x into e to the power of 4x. ఇది 2 ways లో చేయవచ్చు అండి. మనం x into v ఫామ్ ఉంది, నెక్స్ట్ e పవర్ ax into v ఫామ్ ఏదైనా యూజ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు ఏది ఈజీ ఉంటే అది తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ e పవర్ ax ని ఇటువైపు తీసుకొస్తాను. d is equal to d plus 4 రాస్తాం. ఓకే, d is equal to d plus 4 రాస్తే ఈ టర్మ్ ఇటువైపు వచ్చేస్తుంది, e to the power of 4x divided by e to the power of 4x ఇటువైపు వచ్చేసింది అంటే దీని పని అయిపోయిందండి, దీంతో మనకు పని లేదు. అంటే d plus 4 whole square minus 5 into d plus 4 plus 6 here x as this x ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది. Okay, now this is equal to e to the power of 4x divided by a plus b whole square formula, d square plus 16 plus 8d minus 5d minus 20 plus 6 into x. So this is equal to, we can write 1 by e to the power of 4x divided by d square. This is 3d. This is 3d minus 20. It is 22. This is 2. Here x. Okay. X ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 plus d or 1 minus d form లో create చేసుకోవాలి. So I am taking 2 common in the denominator. 2 as common. So d square plus 3d by 2. This is first term plus 1. It is in the form of 1 plus function of d form x. So this can be written as 1 by 2 as this. I am taking this term to numerator, 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 x. ఇక్కడ x power 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి only we need to write one term, that is 1 by 2, 1 plus x 1 power minus 1 expansion 1 minus x, that is d square plus 3d by 2. ఇంకో టర్మ్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, d స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ d పవర్ 4 టర్మ్ వస్తాయి, d క్యూబ్ టర్మ్ కూడా వస్తుంది, కాబట్టి అవన్నీ డెరివేటివ్స్ 0 అయిపోతాయి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వరకు స్టాప్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 2 1 minus 1 by 2. ఇందులో d స్క్వేర్ తీసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ 3d. d స్క్వేర్ అంటే సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ డెరివేటివ్ 0 అయిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 2 of multiplying with x minus 1 by 2, this is 3. Okay, differentiation of x is 3. So this is equal to e to the power of 4x ఉంటుంది కదా, here we have e to the power of 4x. So here we have e to the power of 4x, here also e to the power of 4x. So here it is also e to the power of 4x. Here it is e to the power of 4x. By 4 of 2x minus 3. This is the particular integral of the event differential equation. We can do this problem by taking x into v formula also. Okay. దానికంటే ఇదే సింపుల్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. You can x into v ఫార్ములా ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు x into v ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తే మనకు సింప్లిఫికేషన్.
హలో
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
సార్ ఇది డి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పైన చూడండి డి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3d ప్లస్ 2 సార్.
యా ఓకే సార్.
ఇక్కడ సార్ డి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 3d ప్లస్ 2 మనం ఇట్లా డి ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ డి ప్లస్ 2 అట్లా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడం అట్లా ఏమైనా ఛాన్స్ ఉందా సార్?
చేసుకుంటే మళ్ళీ దాన్ని న్యూమరేటర్ తీసుకెళ్ళాలి సార్. మళ్ళీ 3 కామన్ తీయాలి, తర్వాత 1 కామన్ తీయాలి, 2 టర్మ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే ఎస్ 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 యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్ మేడం.
సార్
ఎస్ మేడం యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్. ఎస్ ఓకే these are the formulas. Okay, you can remember these formulas. Okay, I'm using these formulas. Okay. Okay, now madam. Now I'm taking another problem from DL. The particular integral of the differential equation d square minus 6d plus 13 into y is equal to 8 e power 3x into sin 2x is. Just we have to find the particular integral only. So I am taking yp, that is 1 divided by d square minus 6d plus 13 of 8 e power 3x into sin 2x. Okay, this time finding particular integral. Just we have to take this e to the power of 3x to this side. That means we have to replace d by d plus 3 here in this. So e power 8 అంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ తో మనకి ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. డైరెక్ట్ 8 e to the power of 3x ఇక్కడ రాసేస్తున్నా. డినామినేటర్ లో d ప్లేస్ లో d plus 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సో d plus 3 whole square minus 6 times of d plus 3 plus 13 into sin 2x as this. So this is equal to, we can write 8 e to the power of 3x divided by, open this bracket by using a plus b whole square formula, that is d square plus 6d plus 9 first term, and multiply here 6d plus 18 plus 13, here sin 2x as this. Here 6d will be cancelled, and this is 9 plus 13 is 15 minus, sorry, this is 8 into the power of 3x divided by d square. This is 21 plus 21 minus 18, that is 4. So sin 2x. Now this is equal to, well, writing d square equal to minus 4, that is minus a square, that is minus 2 square, that is minus 4. So denominator will be 0. So you can write x in the numerator, x into e to the power of 2x. So e to the power of 3x divided by denominator derivative is 2d. Okay, d square derivative is 2d, and sin 2x as this. So this is equal to 2, that is 4x e to the power of 3x. Sin 1 by d means your integration of sin 2x, that is minus cos 2x by 2. So 2 will be 2, that is minus 2x into e to the power of 3x into cos 2x is the particular integral of the given differential equation. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from APGL is from recent APGL. Find the particular integral of the particular integral of d power 4 minus 1 into y is equal to e to the power of x into cos x is. Just we have to find a particular integral. Okay. Now the particular integral yp is equal to 1 upon d power 4 minus 1 into e to the power of x cos x. So we are taking e to the power of x term this side. Then we can write d is equal to d plus a, that is d plus 1, a is equal to 1. While writing d is equal to a, the equation converted into 1 by, e to the power of x by d plus 1 whole to the power of 4 minus 1 into cos x as this. Now for our convenience, I am writing this as e to the power of x divided by d plus 1 whole square. Okay, for my convenience, cos x. So this is equal to 1 e to the power of x divided by, this is a plus b whole square formula, d square plus 2d plus 1. Again whole square we have, so cos x as this. When cos ax or sin ax in place, we can write d square equal to minus a square. That is d square equal to a is equal to here minus 1. So we can write here d square is equal to minus 1. Okay. When writing d square equal to minus 1, we get to e to the power of x divided by minus 1 plus 2d plus 1 whole square minus 1. Okay, cos x as this. So here in the term minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So we have e to the power of x divided by 2d whole square become 4d square minus 1 cos x as this. So now again write d square equal to minus. Again I am writing d square equal to minus a square, that is minus 1. So this is equal to e to the power of x by minus 4 minus 1 into cos x. This is equal to minus e power x by 5 into cos x. This is the particular integral of the given function. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from this from great. This takes time. Okay, let's do it. Okay. DL question, recent Gurukul DL question I am taking. Date problem, the last one. This is DL, Gurukul DL. The particular integral of the differential equation y double dash plus 4y dash plus 3y is equal to 130 e to the power of 2x into cos x is. Just find the particular integral only. Okay. So I am writing yp, that is equal to 1 by operator. Y double dash means d square, y dash means d, 3 as this. No need to take y. 130 e to the power of 2x into cos x. Okay. So this is equal to, first we have to write d is equal to d plus a, that is d plus 2 e power 2x undi kabatti e power 2x into y పంపించేద్దాం. So we get here 130 e power 2x divided by d plus 2 whole square plus 4 times of d plus 2 plus 3 as this. So cos x we can write as this. Now this is equal to 130 into e to the power of 2x divided by a plus b whole square formula again. So here d square plus 4d plus 4 plus 4d plus 8 plus 3 into cos x. Now we can simplify it. I am taking the simplest form, that is 130 e to the power of 2x divided by, I am writing d square is equal to, we can write minus a square, here minus a equal to 1, minus a square means minus 1. And I am writing substituting here minus 1 plus 4d plus 4d, that is 8d plus 4 plus 8, 12 plus 3, 15. Okay. Cos x as this. So this is equal to 130 e to the power of 2x divided by 8d plus 14 cos x. Now we can take 2 as common in the denominator. So 130 e to the power of 2x by 2 as common, 2 times of 4d plus 7 into cos x. Cos x. Now 2 6 2 5, that is 65 e to the power of 2x divided by, I am writing this as 16d square minus 49. What is our what I am doing here? Just rationalizing. We are multiplying and dividing with 4d minus 7. Cos x is as this. No change in cos x. So again, d square is equal to minus a square, that is minus 1. And substitute here in this, we get 65 e to the power of 2x divided by minus 16 minus 49. D square equal to minus 1 into 16 minus 16 into 4d minus 7 cos x. Okay. Cos x లో cos x అంటే ఈ వర్క్ అయిపోయిందండి. న్యూమరేటర్ టర్మ్ ఇలానే ఉంటుంది 4d minus 7. Here minus 16 minus 49 is minus 65. This 65 will be cancelled. We will have minus. Okay. So I am writing next step. That is minus e power 2x into 4d minus 7 into cos x. So we have to multiply with the cos x, that is equal to minus e power 2x into 4 into d of cos x. D means differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus 7 cos x. So this is equal to, you can take minus common here. So it is plus e power 2x of 4 times of sin x plus 7 times of cos x. This is the particular integral of the given differential equation. Okay. Now I am taking another problem from set. The solution of the solution of the initial value problem. Initial value problem. D square y by dt square plus 2 into dy by dt plus 4y is equal to 0. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Y dash of 0 is equal to 1 is. Just we are given initial value conditions. Y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 is equal to 1. First, I am taking finding here we have the independent variable is t. Okay, just we have to find the corresponding complementary function. First of all, we are taking corresponding auxiliary equation m square plus 2m plus 4 is equal to 0. So here m is equal to -2 plus or minus under root of 4 minus 4 into 1 into 4 divided by 2 into this is equal to -2 plus or minus under root of 4 minus 16, that is -12 divided by 2. This is equal to -2 plus or minus, this is 2i root 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to -1 plus or minus I root 3. These are the roots of the corresponding auxiliary equations, and these are all complex numbers. So the particular integral, that is complementary function yc is equal to e to the power of minus t into c1 cos root 3t plus c2 sin root 3 into t. This is the complementary function. Now here it is a homogeneous equation, so complementary function is the general solution. Therefore, the general solution is y. Y means y of t is equal to function of t, independent variable t. c1 cos root 3t plus c2 sin root 3t. Okay. Now differentiate this with respect to t once. So we get y dash of t that is equal to UV formula minus e power minus t into minus root 3 c1 sin root 3t plus root 3 c2 into cos root 3t, and uv dash is completed minus e power minus t differentiation minus e power minus t. So here c1 cos root 3t plus c2 sin root 3t. This is the differentiation. So I am taking applying boundary conditions. Okay. First boundary condition, y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1 means e is equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Substitute in the given equation. So e power 0, that is 1, and that is 1 is equal to y of t, y equal to 1. E power 0 is 1. c1 cos 0 is 1 plus c2 sin 0 is 0. So from this we can write to c1 is equal to 0. When c1 is equal to 0, and we can take y dash of t value. So y dash of t is equal to e power minus t. c1 term 0 అయిపోతుంది, కంప్లీట్ గా 0 ఇది, ఓన్లీ c2 టర్మ్స్ ఉంటాయి. c2 టర్మ్స్ ఏంటి?
C1 value is 1.
1 కదా sir, C1 1.
Yeah, okay.
1.
Okay, it is 1. c1 is equal to 1. So you can apply the second boundary condition, call it as y dash of 0. Similarly, y dash of 0 is equal to 1. That is y dash of this is 1 is equal to e power 0 is 1. It is minus 3 root 3. This is sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. c1 also 1 into 0 is 0 plus root 3 into c2. C2 as this cos 0 is 1. This is 1 plus minus e power 0 is 1. This is C1 0, C1 1, cos 0 is 1. This is 1 into 1 plus C2 into sin 0 is. So here 1 is equal to, we can take this is root 3 C2. This is minus 1. So we can write 2 is equal to root 3 C2. From this, we can write C2 is equal to 2 by root 3. C1 and C2 values are we have. So substitute in this equation, equation number sum 1, we are called it as 1. That is a general solution. And therefore, y of t is equal to e power minus t. C1 is 1. C1 is 1. That is cos root 3 t plus C2. C2, that is 2 by root 3 into sin root 3 t. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, this is set question. I am taking another problem from DL. The solution of d square minus 2d into y is equal to e to the power of x into sin x is. This is the problem. Now, we need to find yc as well as yp. So we are taking auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 2m is equal to 0. You can take m as common, m minus 2 is equal to 0, m as 0 comma 2. Therefore, the complementary function yc is equal to c1 e power 0 is 1, that is c2 e to the power of 2x. This is the complementary function. Now we go for particular integral, that is yp is equal to 1 divided by d square minus 2d of e power x into sin x. So we can take e power x is this side. The time we have d is equal to, we should replace d by d plus a, that is d plus 1. Here a is equal to. Now while writing, we get to e power x by d plus 1 whole square minus 2 into d plus 1 into sin x as this. So we can write this as e to the power of x divided by d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 2d minus 2 sin x as this. Here 2d will be cancelled. So this is equal to e power x by d square minus 1 sin x as this. Here we should replace d square by minus a square. Here a equal to 1. So d square equal to minus 1 we have to write. So we get e power x by minus 1 into sin x. This is equal to minus e power x by 2 sin x. This is the particular integral. Therefore, the general solution y is equal to c1 plus c2 x into c2. What we have? C1 c2 e power 2x minus e power x by 2 sin x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay. The question no, sir DL lo just particular integral ni adinadu. Now same question we will try cheyandi. The particular integral of d square minus 2d into y is equal to e power x into sin x. Same question అండి, జస్ట్ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ అడిగాను, నేను కంప్లీట్ గా చేశాను. ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్తాను. Now I am taking another problem from BL. You can do this problem. Already did BL. The complementary function. The complementary function of d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to x into e to the power of x into sin x is. Just we have to find a complementary function. So I am taking the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. That is m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. M equal to 1 comma 1. Therefore yc is equal to c1 plus c2 x into e to the power of x is the complementary function. So if we ask for particular integral, ఇక్కడ వరకు ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయిందండి. ఒకవేళ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, ఇలా చేయాలి. ఓకే, అందుకే దీనికి క్వశ్చన్ లాగా ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తున్నా. The particular integral same question అండి, of d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to x into e power x into sin x. X into e power x into sin x is. Okay, particular integral అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, we have to do here 3 terms ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి we can do one by one. Okay. First yp is equal to 1 upon, it is operator d square minus 2d plus 1 x e power x sin x. First e to the power of x ని ఇటువైపు పంపించేసారు. ఏమవుతుంది, d is equal to d plus a, that is d plus 1. While substituting d is equal to d plus a, e power x goes this side. So it is e to the power of x divided by d plus 1 whole square minus 2 times of d plus 1 plus 1 into, we have x into sin x as this. Okay. Now we can write this as this is equal to, here we have e power x in the numerator, the denominator is d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 2d minus 2 plus 1. So x into sin x as this. 2d will be cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 will be cancelled. So this is equal to e to the power of x divided by d square into x sin x. Okay. ఇక్కడ టూ వేస్ ఉంటాయండి మనకు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్. 1/d square కాబట్టి 2 times ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయండి, లేదంటే x into v ఫార్ములాను అప్లై చేసుకో యాజ్ వెల్ విష్. ఓకే, నేను x into v ఆ ఫార్ములా ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాను. నా x into v, if getting the formula here, if q of x is equal to x into v, then particular integral yp is equal to x by f of d into v minus f dash of d divided by f of d whole square into v. This is the formula. Okay. I'm using that formula. E power x తో పని లేదండి. ఫస్ట్ x into x by f of d, x by d square as this into v is sin x into v అండి, minus f dash d అంటే d square derivative, that is 2d, and f of d whole square, d square whole square into v, that is sin x. Just we are using formula. So this is equal to e to the power of x by d square equal to ఏం రాసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ minus a square, that is equal to minus 1, a equal to 1 and x coefficient 1 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది minus 1 sin x minus 2d by minus 1 whole square, again మళ్ళీ whole square d square into sin x. So this is equal to, we can write e power x of minus x sin x. This is nothing but plus 1 minus 2d. I'm writing one more step. You can reduce and leave the problems. This is equal to e power x of minus x sin x minus 2 into d of sin x. Differentiation of sin x, this cos x. We can take minus common, e power x sin x plus 2 cos x. This is the particular integral. Okay, ఇది అడగలేదు exam లో, but I'm taking. Now I'm taking another problem from JL. The particular integral, the particular integral of y double dash plus 2y dash plus y is equal to 2 into e power 2x is. Okay, just we need to find the particular integral yp. I'm writing 1 by operator, that is d square plus 2d plus 1. Here we have 2 into e power 2x. Now we can replace d by a. D is equal to a equal to a, and substitute here in this, we get 4 plus 4 plus 1, 2 into e power 2x. This is equal to 2 by 9 e to the power of 2x. This is the particular solution. Now I am taking another JL question. This from JL. The particular integral of d square plus d plus 1 into y is equal to x cube is. Just we have to find the particular integral. Okay. Now particular integral yp is equal to 1 upon d square plus d plus 1. It is x cube. X cube అంటే x power m ఫామ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 plus d or 1 minus d. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ మొత్తం ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ d అండి, న్యూమరేటర్ తీసుకెళ్ళండి 1 plus d square plus d, 1 plus x ఫామ్ లో ఉంది, హోల్ పవర్ మైనస్ 1 x cube. The 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula. You can take 3 terms, 1 minus d square plus d first term plus d square plus d whole square second term minus d square plus d whole cube third term. Third degree వరకు తీసుకోవాలి. So first simplify చేద్దాం దీన్ని. 1 minus d square minus d. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని a plus b whole square ఫార్ములా ప్రకారం ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుంది డి స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే డి పవర్ 4 అవుతుంది. డి పవర్ 4 అంటే we can ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డి పవర్ 4 తీసుకోవద్దు, డి క్యూబ్ వరకే తీసుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే డి పవర్ 4 డెరివేటివ్ 0 అయిపోతుంది. సో ఆ టర్మ్ అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుంది 2 ఇంటూ ఏబి 2d స్క్వేర్ టీ క్యూబ్, ఆ డి అంటే 2d క్యూబ్ తీసుకోవాలి, డి స్క్వేర్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ టర్మ్ లో తీసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ టర్మ్కి వచ్చేయండి ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ క్యూబ్, ఏ క్యూబ్ అంటే డి స్క్వేర్ హోల్ క్యూబ్ అంటే డి పవర్ 6 అవుతుంది, అది అవసరం లేదు. 3a స్క్వేర్ డి అంటే అది కూడా అవసరం లేదు, 4th అవుతుంది, 5th డిగ్రీ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 5th డిగ్రీ, నెక్స్ట్ డి క్యూబ్ టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ డి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ డి స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 మైనస్ డి ప్లస్ d 2d cube minus d cube, that is d cube of x cube. Now we can multiply. Okay, now this is equal to first x cube, d means one time differentiation, x cube one time differentiation is 3x square plus d cube means 3 times differentiation, d of x cube is equal to 3x square, d square of x cube is equal to 6x, d cube of x cube is equal to 6. So you can write here 6. So this is the particular integral of the given differential equation. Okay, this is a jail question. Now I am taking another question from plus 6 undala. Okay, now I am taking another problem from Polytechnic lecturers here. The general solution of the differential equation d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e power 3x is. We have to find the yc as well as yp. First I am taking auxiliary equation m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Here the factors m minus 1 and minus 2. So m equal to 1 comma 2 are distinct roots. Complementary function c1 e power x plus c2 e to the power of 2x, complementary function. And we go for particular integral, that is 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 e to the power of 3x. Just write d is equal to 3. D is equal to actual definition A, procedure A, it is 3, dA equal to 3. Now while substituting here 1 by 9 minus 6 plus 3 kada, 3 square 9, 3 into 3 9 plus 2 e to the power of 3x as this. This will be cancelled. This is nothing but 1 by 2 e power 3x. General. Okay, so now we go for general solution, that is y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus 1 by 2 e power 3x. This is the general solution. Now I am taking another problem from DL. The particular integral of the differential equation d square minus 6d plus 13 y is equal to 8 into e to the power of 3x. The problem చేసిన I think we did this problem. Okay, now I'm sorry. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేశాం కండి 8 into e power 3x.
E power 2 into e power 3x వస్తుంది సార్. Yes.
Yes, this problem is did. Okay, I'm taking next problem. Sorry. Another question, it is from set. The general solution, of the differential equation y double dash minus 2y dash minus 3y is equal to 2 e power x minus 10 sin x is. Okay, we have to find the general solution, means yc as well as yp. First I am taking auxiliary equation m square minus 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. Here the factors are m minus 3 and m plus 1. Okay. Okay. Now here m is equal to minus 1 comma 3 arguments. So complementary function c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power 3x. Okay. Now we have to find the particular integral, that is yp is equal to 1 upon t square minus 2d minus 3 of, we have two terms separately, linear combination, e2 e power x minus 10 sin x. Separate గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి, ఇక్కడ వరకు separate గా చేయండి, లేదంటే రెండు క్లబ్ చేసైనా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి యాజ్ ఎ విష్. దీని ఫార్ములా దానికండి, ఇంతకుముందు ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉండేది, ఇక్కడేమో డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది, దీన్ని దానికి ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఐఎమ్ సపరేటింగ్ ద టర్మ్స్ లో 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3, here 2 e power x as this minus 1 by d square minus 2d minus 3 10 sin x. ఫస్ట్ కేసు e to the power of ax అండి, అంటే ఇక్కడ a is equal to 1 కాబట్టి 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే డినామినేటర్ 0 అవుతుందా? కాదు, కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ రాసేస్తున్నా 1 by 1 minus 2 minus 3 into the clear 1 square last e power x. This is nothing but minus 4, sorry, which is 1 minus 2 minus 3. So here 1 by minus 4 2 e power x. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 e power x 2 cosine. Okay, ఇది అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి, d స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి. d స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ అంటే మైనస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. మైనస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇస్తే 1 by minus 1 minus 2d minus 3 10 sin x. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీసామనుకోండి ప్లస్ అవుతుంది, 1 by 2d plus 4 2d plus 4 ఉంటుంది 10 sin x. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లో ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ 2 కామన్ తీస్తాను, ఇక్కడ కామన్ తీస్తే d plus 2 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 10 sin x 2 పైసా. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ d స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి, d స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ లేదు కాబట్టి రేషనలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. మైనస్ 1 by 2 e power x as this 5 by d square minus 4 into d minus 2. We are multiplying and dividing with the d minus 2. ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంది కదా, 5 ని ఇక్కడ రాసేసాం. sin x as is రాస్తాం. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 e power x plus 5 into d minus 2 divided by, again d square equal to minus 1. So minus 1 minus 4. This is sin x as this. Now this is equal to minus 1 by 2 e power x. This is 5, 5. Ikkada plus కాస్త minus d minus 2 of sin x. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 e power x. D of sin x become cos x and 2 sin x as this. Okay. D means differentiation. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 e power x minus cos x plus 2 sin x. This is the particular solution. Therefore, the general solution ante రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. Therefore, y is equal to complementary function minus 1 and 3 కదా రాసామా? Minus 1 and 3. So c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power 3x minus 1 by 2 e power x minus cos x plus 2 sin x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now I am taking another problem from set. Okay. Sir, okay, if you have question.
Carry on, sir. Continue one problem.
Okay. I'm taking one more problem. This is from set y is equal to x, which is solution of y is equal to x, which is solution of 2 into d square y by d x square plus 5 into dy by dx, 5 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 5 plus 2x is. Okay, y is equal to x. Okay, we have is called is called. I am writing the options. Option A, complete solution. Option B, particular integral. And option C, complementary function. And option D, singular solution. We have 4 options. So y is equal to x is called further differential equation. Okay, first complete solution ante general solution ante, particular integral ante yp, complementary function ante yc, singular solution ante no arbitrary constant. Y equal to x లో c1 c2 టర్మ్స్ లేవు. ఓకే, కాబట్టి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ కాదండి. ఓకే, నా కంప్లీట్ సొల్యూషన్ కూడా కాదు, ఎందుకంటే కంప్లీట్ సొల్యూషన్ అంటే జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ మీన్స్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ ది డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఈ రెండు చూద్దాం ఇందులో. ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఐఎమ్ ఫైండింగ్ yp ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాం. 1 by 2d square plus 5d plus 2 here 5 plus 2x. Okay, now 5 plus 2x means you can take 2 common in the denominator. Okay, so 2d square plus 5d by 2 plus 1 as this. So 5 plus 2x. So this is equal to 1 by 2 of, I am taking this term to numerator, 2d square plus 5d by 2 whole to the power of minus 1 of 5 plus 2x. లేదంటే ఇక్కడ 5 కి సపరేట్ గా 2x కు సపరేట్ గా కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. నేను డైరెక్ట్ పాలినామియల్ కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. This is equal to 1 by 2. 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula. 1 minus 2d square plus 5d by 2. Okay. Into 5 plus 2x. So this is equal to 1 by 2. First is simplified. D square term అవసరం లేదు ఎందుకంటే డెరివేటివ్ 0 అయిపోతుంది. Just I am taking 5 by 2 of d. 5 plus 2x as this. So this is equal to 1 by 2 of, now multiply with 5 plus 2x. You know, first term 5 plus 2x minus 5 by 2. Differentiation of 5 plus 2x, d means. So it is 2. So 2 will be cancelled. 5 also cancel. Here 2 also cancel. This is x. So y is equal to x and y is equal to x and it is particular integral. Particular integral. Okay. So our option, which is the right option, particular integral. P is the right.